Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you where is the WhatsApp folder images folder on your Android mobile. First of all, this is on the Nothing mobile and the process is similar for any Android mobile. Okay, the default file manager on the Android mobiles nowadays is Google's Files app. So this is not an installed app, this is the pre-installed app which comes with the mobile manufacturer only. So this is the default file manager. So open this. Yeah, here at the bottom you will see this internal storage, right? Click on this internal storage, and on the internal storage you will find a lot of folders. Scroll down to the bottom, not the bottom, you need to click on this Android here, then click on media, then click on com.whatsapp, then you need to click on WhatsApp, then click on media, and here where is, see here there is a folder called WhatsApp images, right? 2 days ago, 2 days ago in the sense I received an image 2 days back, so the backup here appeared 2 days back. So that's the reason it is showing 2 days back. When you tap on this, so these are the images which are on the WhatsApp here. These are the sent messages, these are the private. Okay, all the images will be available in this. If I have to show you the precise, sorry, okay, this is the precise what is this path, you can say internal storage, Android, media, com.whatsapp, WhatsApp, media, WhatsApp, images. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you feel this is informative, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.